hope this works. If you're seeing this now, it means it's worked. It's all fun and games when you have these ideas, but the reality of it is this. This is the reality. As long as I don't become a poster girl for one of those don't use at home lash things, I don't care. Don't care about wasted time, but I just don't want to lose my eyesight. Please. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, if you're new here, hello, my name is India. I run British Beauty by India here on YouTube. If you like what you see here today, please subscribe and come and join the family. Today's video is a little bit different, I must admit, but I thought I would give it a go on camera because, well, why not? Anyway, more importantly, how are you all doing? I feel like the world is still a crazy place, but we're getting back to normal apparently. I don't know, are we? Anyway, let me know how you guys are doing in the comments. I always love to chat to you guys. So, today's video is slightly different, and the reason being is I went on Amazon. I was watching this thing, and it's like an LVL. I don't know, whatever. You know, when they lift your lash. Whatever that's called. I really want it done. I've wanted it done for ages. Right now I'm super embracing my natural eyelashes. So when I went on Amazon, there was hundreds of lash lifting kits. And the reason I chose this one is because it was on offer and it was like 12 quid. It was like diddly squat. So this is the Glebe Professional Eyelash Lift Kit. Natural looking curve, semi-permanent curling perming wave suitable for salon gift for girls. Anyway, so it's gone back up to 20 quid. I'm super sorry, but originally when I bought it, it was only £12. It wasn't the highest one for reviews. There are higher ones, but the higher ones obviously were more expensive, and the reason I got this was £12. But anyway, when I was looking at the compare, like, you know, you can compare it at the bottom. They all look exactly the same. Like, they basically do the same thing. As you can see, I haven't even opened it, so I'll be opening everything on camera and we'll just go through it and we'll see how we get on. What I also bought is a permanent tint because I really want to tint my lashes at the same time, and none of the kits had the tinting in them, so I had to buy it separately. Now, I used to do my own eyelashes and I used to do my own eyebrows, and I got a bit confused because when I went on Eyelaw, I've always used Eyelaw and I think they're brilliant. Oh, they've changed. So what I used to get, I cannot remember what it's called, but I used to get one kit that did both. And then anyway, so I was looking, and I was looking at this one, and this is the Eyebrow. And it says not to use on your eyelashes, but I'm really sorry because I am. Because basically I was looking at the ingredients and then I kind of Googled it, and they're like, everyone was saying yes, it's exactly the same thing as the original, but something in the EU basically changed. Like some EU regulation changed, and it has to be done for your eyebrows and not your eyelashes. I'm really sorry, so I am going to say please do not use this on your eyelashes, but I am going to use this on my eyelashes, so do as I say, not as I do kind of thing. And what do I do? Oh, I looked at the reviews for like the new lash one and people say it just doesn't work, so I was like, well, I'm just going to go back to using the one that I did use and know it worked, and have fun with your EU regulation. Let's go. Let's just try this because I'm worried about how long this will take, as it's quite late at night at the moment, and like I don't want to be sitting here all night. And I kind of tried to work it out, and it says like basically you wait for a couple of seconds, wait for a minute, blah blah blah, and then for the next bit you got to wait for 8 to 12 minutes, and the next bit you got to 8 to 12 minutes again. So let's be real, even the fastest I can do it is going to be half an hour. Obviously I'm going to speed it up for you guys. You do not need to sit there waiting with me. Let's do this. Okay, instructions. That is cool, that looks nice, it looks chill. It looks like this. Okay, so we've got the glue, the lash, false lash glue, which I'm assuming is just literally false lash glue. And then step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, cleaning tools and lift pads. Lift pads come in small, medium, M1, M2 and large. Cleaning tool is to clean off the residue. So, I'm going to read the instructions. Oh, I hope this works. If you're seeing this now, it means it's worked. Okay, so use a cleanser to remove the oil, dust and makeup. Haha. No, I don't have any makeup on, but I do have my skincare, which consists of oil. So then it says number 2, choose the right side of lift pads for your eyelids. For longer lashes, please choose the L size. For shorter ones, choose the small size. You can decide by matching the length of your lashes to the thickness of each pad. What? I don't know. Do I have long lashes? Do I have short lashes? I've got absolutely no idea. Like, you're not giving me anything to work from here. Surely with short lashes, I wouldn't have bought this. Can't even open the thing. Oh, weird. Oh, they're so weird to touch. They're all like gummy things. Okay, you know what? I'm going to go small. I've got short lashes. Right, 2 smalls are out. They look like this. They're literally little rubber rubber things. Put the glue all over the lift pads and wait until the glue is tacky. Okay. Assuming this is just like lash glue. This is nice that it comes with a little brush. That makes it so much easier. Life so much easier. When they say like all over, do they mean all over? Or just all over the thicky bit? Leave that to dry and put the next one on because we are going to do them at the same time. So once the glue is tacky, number 4, place the lift pads on top of your upper eyelids as close as you can to your lash line and hold it for 20 seconds. Okay. Okay, that's tacky. That's tacky, that's tacky, it's tacky. Okay, you ready? As close as I can to the lash line. Wow, this is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I can't really close my eyes. Alright, holding it for 20 seconds. Oh, it's not sticking down, and I've done 20 seconds. Lies! Oh no, the other one's going to completely dry out. God, this is not easy. It doesn't really fit my eyelid. Like, it's a lot bigger. Ah! Okay, right, I'm getting serious. Well, that's just not working at all. Right, I'm going to try the other eye. Oh, that's still not even tacky. Maybe I put too much glue on. Well, not enough glue. I don't know what I've done. I'm just going to put more glue in the corners because that seems to be the tricky part. I'm going to try again. I'd say that was tacky, so why are you not sticking? If I don't move, that kind of sticks on. Okay. I think we're going to have to do this one by one because I reckon once the other stuff is on, it'll work. So, then apply the glue. Wait, what? Then apply the glue on the base of the pad and wait until the glue is tacky. Use the brush shaped head on the Y-shaped tool to stick your lashes to the pad. What? Oh, okay. Wait, what? Okay. Okay. So I've got to stick my lashes down as well. And there is a brushed shaped tool. Ah, there is a brush shaped tool. Alright, that I can do. Then apply the glue on the base of the pad and wait until the glue is tacky. Oh god, more glue. Okay, that's easy, that's so easy, it's easy. Okay, I'm hoping once I stick my eyelashes down, the pad will stick down even better. Alright, I'm going to try to stick this one on actually quickly. Okay, that worked really well. So basically I was just not waiting long enough. India, patience. Yeah, look. That's just stuck down immediately. Okay, so the trick is, when they say wait till the glue is tacky, they may wait about 10 minutes until the glue is tacky. Alright, we're doing it, we're doing it. Right, I'm going to try it and stick. No, see look. Glue is still not tacky enough. Why? Well, at least we've got the pad stuck on my eyes. Right, come on, tacky. Aha! Alright, my fingers work better. Oh, that one lash has gone in a funny position. Oh my god, would you just stick down? It's all fun and games when you have these ideas, but the reality of it is this. This is the reality. Alright, remember that, people. If you're going to do this, the glue, you got to just wait forever. At least this one's kind of worked. Oh god, how long has this taken me? Fuck, I've been sitting here for half an hour and I've not even got the stuff on. Okay. What's next? What's next? Quickly, quickly. Number 6, apply the first perm lotion on your lashes. Okay, first. Alright, got it, got it, got it. This bit. Please say you've got something in there to actually do it. No, so how am I going to apply it? Right, there's actually nothing to apply it with. What should I do? I don't know what to do. Oh my god, please don't make me go get a fucking cotton bud. I'm gonna have to go get a cotton bud. Oh, excuse me. That was just a bit shit, really. Bought the whole thing, because bloody hell, you never know. So, cotton wool thing. Oh my god, that stinks. Oh, that smells like something and I don't know what it is. Hair dye. Bollocks. What the hell am I putting on my lashes? Oh god, for the love of god, would you just stick down? Right, I'm just going to stop because I'm just unsticking the glue. What does that say? 8 to 12 minutes. Right, let me put my thing on. Right, just for time's sake, I'm going to do 8 minutes. Get this ready out to use. See, this comes the bloody thing to do something with. I don't think I used enough glue. It's like, look, all these lashes have just come off completely. I really want to give up, but I'm committed to the cause. I may miss dinner, but who bloody needs to eat when you've got lifted lashes? Yes. Okay, next bit, because this is boring me. So, number 7, apply number 2, fixation glue, that's blue, alright, on your lashes, wait for 8 to 12 minutes. Alright. Please say you stick down though, because this is just long. I'm really annoyed that these didn't come with like something to actually put the thing on. Kind of annoying, but whatever. Fixation glue, yeah? Okay. Oh, that's quite a lot, but oh well. It's such a great idea when it was on Amazon. As long as I don't become a poster girl for one of those don't use at home lash things, I don't care. Don't care about wasted time, but I just don't want to lose my eyesight. Please. Right, 8 minutes again. I can feel that coming undone. Oh, not really. Alright, I might actually be able to relax. Yes! I'm just getting my dye ready, which you guys can kind of ignore because you're not supposed to use this on your eyelashes because it contains hydrogen peroxide. So, shh. You didn't see me do this, okay? Let's do the dyeing, but I'm just going to try to take this off a bit. I put another 5 minutes on my thing. This whole eyelash thing has taken way longer than I wanted it to. Oh my god, everything's just unsticking now, like look. Just like, India, what are you doing to me? What are you doing? Yes! I'm going to try and get this dye off somehow. Okay, so it says, next step is nutrition. Clean the eyelashes on the pads and use 3 nutrition to nourish your lashes. Okay. Smells really nice actually. Alright, nourishing my lashes. Oh, this is, you know what, I'm really sorry, but this is just coming off anyway. They definitely didn't need help getting off. Oh, that didn't actually work half bad. Okay, wait, like, hold on. What is the next part? I feel like they look really messy because of the dye. Use number 4, cleansing lotion to clean off the perm residue. Let me use this. I'm assuming this is literally micellar water. Yeah, standard. Wow, that is not half bad. I'm quite impressed considering that bloody did not work at all. I mean, kind of, but that was not smooth sailing. Just gonna warn you that that was 1 hour and 9 minutes. But that didn't look too bad. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna let you know in the morning. Because, to be honest with you, this is what curlers do. Curlers can make my eyelashes look like this, but it never lasts overnight. It definitely doesn't last all day. I'm gonna shower, wash my face as well, so there's quite a lot to come. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Oh my god, right, I'm actually super impressed. So last night I washed my face, I had a shower, obviously I slept on my face, I'm such a face sleeper. I washed my face this morning as well and still, look at my eyelashes. I am, you know what, I am super impressed. The fact that it basically, in my opinion, went wrong. Not went wrong, I just didn't, like, you know when you need to get the knack or something and I just haven't got the knack. I'm impressed because next time that is it for today's video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. I know it's something different, but I like to do a lot of things for myself, i.e. DIY. And I know I come at you with a lot of these things, and then obviously you're seeing like quite literally sometimes years of practice. So I thought I would show you my new endeavour from the very beginning, so you know that I even start out as basically not knowing what the hell to do. Anyway, so if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. By doing so, you let me know what you guys are liking, and I can make more of the same content. But more importantly, please, if you have liked what you have seen today, please come and subscribe and join the family. I'm sending you lots of love wherever you guys are in the world, but that is it, and I will see you guys next time.